Plants don't eat food like animals. Instead, they make their own food using a process called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to produce glucose and oxygen. Photosynthesis occurs inside plant cell organelles called chloroplasts, which contain the green pigment chlorophyll. Sunlight provides the energy needed to start the chemical reactions involved in photosynthesis. Plants absorb water from the soil through their roots, which is then transported to the leaves. Carbon dioxide enters the leaf through tiny openings called stomata. The glucose produced during photosynthesis is used by the plant as food. Oxygen is released into the atmosphere. Photosynthesis is essential for life on Earth because it produces oxygen and forms the base of the food chain. Our next video will be on mitosis. If you want to understand biology concepts easily, subscribe to Hidden Wisdom Academy Biology for simple explanations and daily learning.